Hi, I'm Susan. How are you today? Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 22. And our prompts for today is people, and I've got this Tim Holtz photograph, something that turns or spins. I've got this spider on the web, which it spins a web. Something that starts with the letter G. I've got girl, book page text, a date, and the bonus is a sticker, which this is a sticker, and I may use some more stickers. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP22 to see what everyone else has made. And be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here's week 22 in the books. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have got my people, and those men look like they're up to no good. Something that turns or spins. I've got my spider. Something that starts with the letter G, and that's girl, and I figure they're going to go see her in a show. The book page, I've got that. A date. got that. And the bonus is a sticker. And that's a sticker and that's a sticker. And I just embellished it. Again, be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP22 to see what everyone else has made. It's so much fun to see how different everybody interprets these prompts. So y'all have a great and wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.